Hello everyone, I just wanted to create this short video to help anybody that's having problems with the Toshiba Regza high definition TV. The particular model in question is a 42HL167 high definition TV. Okay, the problem that I was having was that whenever I tried to turn on the TV, it would not turn on. Even though I was making sure that the TV was being fed from a reliable electrical source. Okay, so one of the possible issues is that the fuse in the power supply went bad. Okay, so what I did was I took off the cover from the back of the TV, okay, and took off the panel cover for the power supply. Took off the screws and everything. I didn't want to bore you guys too much with that process. After you do that, okay, look, that's the front of the TV. And then the back of it should look like this. And that's a board, okay. And then you're gonna identify where the power supply location is, okay. It's right here, okay. You can see the cable, okay, the AC outlet, and the location for the fuse right there. Okay, so I don't want to bore you guys with the process of removing the fuse. You guys have to do it in a safe manner. Okay, and the blown fuse look like that. Okay, right there, and this is a good fuse. Okay, right there. I'm just gonna grab this fuse. Okay, and then guys, once again, do this in a safe manner. If you don't feel comfortable by doing this, please have somebody help you out with this. But I'm just gonna put in a good fuse. Okay, just right there in the slot. Okay, right there, you see it. Okay, and then I'm gonna plug in the TV to the strip. Okay, plug in the TV. Just like that, okay, and right there, okay. So I'm gonna turn on the TV now. And voila, it works. Okay, thank you very much everyone. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and God bless.